So now I have the option of wood grain or black. And seeing as I have a lot of wood grain in the building already, actual wood grain, because it's actual wood, this wood grain is kind of fake. So I'm going to go with the black, pointing down. Oh my god, it feels so good. So it's really hot. It's like 90 degrees and like 90% humidity. And the workshop has been unbearable. And I was expecting that since the air up there was extremely hot, that when I turned this on, it wouldn't be very good. And I was only going to have this to circulate air to help dry off the building more. But standing underneath here, even though the air flowing past me is hot, it feels cool. So it's so wonderful. Oh my god. This revolutionizes the workshop. I'm so glad I got this thing from the trash. I'm so fucking glad. 3 speeds, so it's good. And reversible. I flipped the polarity so it's pushing wind down because I like to be able to stand underneath it. And the light is really nice. I like that. I have another workshop video currently underway, actually 2 of them. One is I've been sealing the roof, and that's actually been working really well. But I've been working on the flooring and cleaning all this up and gonna move all the wood onto it, but these bricks are totally soaking wet and they just wouldn't dry very fast because there just wasn't much air circulation in the back of the workshop. So I'm gonna leave this running, and that should do a good job of making sure that all of this moist air gets to the dehumidifier, and then hopefully these will dry out enough for me to stack lumber on them, because I would really hate to have all the moisture from the bricks go into the lumber. It would really suck. You know what, I think I will go inside. It is really hot, so let's end it there. But it feels really good underneath the fan. I almost don't want to walk away just to get into the house. I almost want to stay here. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.